Students, in this lecture, we will be studying about turmeric and its use in cosmetics. Myself, Dr. Prabjot Singh, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, Chaudhary Devilal College of Pharmacy, Haryana, India. So, biological source. Turmeric curcuma is the dried rhizome of Curcuma longa of family Zingiberaceae, cultivated in India, West Pakistan, China, and Malaya. So basically this is a plant which is grown in parts of India, West Pakistan, China and Malaya, and rhizomes are used for various purposes. It has a rich yellow color. Due to it is used as a dye. It is also used as a food colorant. In India it is used in making curries and other dishes, and in cosmetics it is used for skincare products. So now we will go for the chemical constituents. Turmeric contains about 5% of diaryl heptanoid coloring materials known as curcuminoids, the chief of which is curcumin, together with smaller quantities of dicaffeoylmethane and caffeolpyrrolomethane. The volatile oil about 5% contains sesquiterpenes, example gingiberine 25%, sesquiterpene alcohols and ketones and monoterpenes. The rhizomes also contain free arabinose about 1%, fructose 12% and glucose 2%. Abundant gingibraceous starch grains about 30 to 60 micrometer long and often gelatinized are present. So basically the most important compound is the curcumin. So this is the structure of curcumin. Now we will study about the uses. Turmeric is used in both skin and digestive disorders. These uses are due to antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. So the various researches have shown that turmeric has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So various uses of turmeric are due to these properties only. So turmeric find its application in skin care for treatment of acne, facial mask for oily skin, treatment of wrinkles, signs of aging, treatment of stretch marks, soothes burns, reduction of skin pigmentation and skin tanning, removal of facial hair, treatment of cracked heels, night cream, treatment of skin conditions. It removes dead cells. So turmeric is effective in treatment of acne due to its antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which fight pimples and breakouts to provide a youthful glow to your skin. Turmeric face mask not only helps to clear acne scars and inflammation but also reduces oil secretion by sebaceous glands. Turmeric is beneficial for oily skin as it regulates the production of sebum, and oily substance produced by the sebaceous glands. Turmeric in combination with other ingredients is effective in reducing fine lines and wrinkles, being an excellent exfoliating agent. Exfoliating means removing dead skin cells. Turmeric can help to eliminate signs of aging. Turmeric can help to lighten stretch marks. Turmeric can provide quick relief in case of burns because of its antiseptic properties. A mixture of turmeric and aloe vera gel on the burns heals wound. To remove skin tanning and pigmentation, apply a mixture of turmeric powder and lemon or cucumber juice on the affected area. Turmeric is an excellent healing agent. Turmeric skin cream is Ayurvedic cream that vanishes into skin, rejuvenates and revitalizes skin from within, leaving it soft, supple and young looking. Being pure and natural, turmeric cream gives the skin radiance. It also protects the skin from ultraviolet rays of the sun and maintain the original color of pigments of the skin. So these are the claims that are given by manufacturers, but research is to be done. These points are not confirmed by the research. So there are various uses, but only few of them are only proved by the science. So next we will see various turmeric products. So you can see this is a CEO Glow Vitamin C plus Turmeric Face Oil with advanced vitamin C, turmeric and evening primrose oil to brighten, hydrate and glow. Turmeric oil, origin India. This is also an oil. This is an Argentex turmeric clay mask, detoxifying, brightening, repairing, anti-aging. So these are all the face masks available. Reshma Upton turmeric face mask. So Upton is a preparation that is used in before marriages in India. So it is used as a face mask for exfoliating and giving a glow to the skin. This is also a sandal and turmeric mask with aloe vera. This is turmeric clay face mask by Wow. So this is the application of face mask of turmeric. Other turmeric products are skin cream, Vico turmeric skin cream, turmeric night repair cream, and this is a anti-marks turmeric face cream for spotless fairness. And these are some anti-acne formulations. Anti-acne formulation by Jiva, by Mantra Authentic Ayurveda Cucumber and Turmeric Anti-Acne Skin Repair Face Gel. This is also a cleanser formulation for skin purifying, deep cleaning and skin soothing. So all of these are the various cosmetics that are produced using the turmeric. The antiseptic, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric are responsible for the various effects that turmeric can produce by applying on skin. So thank you very much.